You good? Alright. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning. Got a Ratchet at my house. She a little drunk. I ain't gonna do no weird shit. I ain't with all that, but I'm about to show you how Ratchet sleep hard. She, you see this Ratchet right here? Knocked out. He trying to party way too hard. Her and the little Ratchet friends. What I have here in my hand is a can of. If you can see that. An air horn. You know what I'm saying? I have an air horn. Yes. Not good enough. Wait. Alright. So here I have one pan, two pans. Ain't gonna get it. Low key, I think this bitch dead. I'm not joking. This is wild. I've never had this happen. I don't know what to do. My mom can't find this bitch here. This is crazy. I can never have anything in my house with nobody just passing the fuck out. I damn near gotta take this bitch. I'm putting her outside. I got to. I'm sorry. I gotta go. I gotta get this bitch out of here.